Okay, so here we go. We've got levers or levers or whatever you want to call them. All right, so a lever is a rigid bar or plank that can rotate around a fixed point called a pivot or a fulcrum. Okay, the main thing that you need to know is that it can rotate and that the fixed point is called the pivot or the fulcrum. Levers are used to reduce the force needed to do a particular task, such as pulling a nail, opening a bottle, hitting a baseball, cutting paper, all of these things, okay? You can move a very large load, but you must move a greater distance than the load moves. You guys will see this when we do the gizmo, or have already seen this when we play with the lever gizmo. Okay, there are 3 different types of levers. Okay, these types of levers are all with respect to where the fulcrum sits. Okay, so a first class lever, these are used for moving heavy loads, and in this case the fulcrum is always between the effort and the load. Okay, so examples of these are crowbars, pliers, these sorts of things. This is the standard teeter-totter, okay? Now, our second class lever is where you have the fulcrum at one end with the load in the middle, and the effort is on the end opposite the fulcrum. So, second class lever, an example of which is a wheelbarrow, and the whole point of it is to lift heavy loads, okay? That is the goal. Third class lever, an example of this is a hammer or your arm, and that is where the effort actually lies in the middle, so in between the fulcrum and the load. The whole point of this is to gain speed. This is how you get to do your movements, and you do them quickly. This is a little quick rundown on levers. All done. Be sure to do your notes, and thanks for listening.